Ayan guys, for today's video, panoorin natin yung mga nag-aaral ng kayaking, paddling, and rowing. So, only here in Wascana Park, Wascana Lake. Hope you enjoy this video. Good morning! Ayan, so another day. Let me share another video. So ito yung mga nag-aaral mag-rowing, kayaking here in Wascana Park, Wascana Lake. So summer kasi may mga event dito na rowing or kayaking. So see, let's enjoy this and watch. Morning guys, ayan, let me share another video. Today is May 26, I think, yeah, 26. So andito tayo sa Wascana Lake and watch natin yung mga nag-aaral or gustong matuto ng rowing, kayaking, and paddling. All you have to do is just enrolled. Okay? Yeah, panoorin natin. So pag merong Dragon Boat Festival, ito yung ginagamit nila. Yan. Minsan kasi may Dragon Boat Festival here. Hanggang ngayon hindi ko pa rin na-upload. Ayan, look at that. See? So he's giving instruction. Ayan. Ayan. So they have to wait for the instruction. Ayan. Look at this. Ang daming lumilipad na bulaklak ng dandelion. So see that. Ayan. Thank you guys for watching and hope you like my short video. Enjoy and please like, share, and subscribe. Wandering Bicolana so that updated kayo sa aking mga video. Press na rin ang bell button for notification.